Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we're here with our brand new 2024 Pro Series boat. So these just came in the other day. I'm gonna quickly go through some of the changes we've made from our 23 and previous into our 24, and generally all the items that we're gonna discuss are available on all the Pro models. So there are some things that really differentiate our HD and the Pros now from our LX, even more so than we had in the past. So let's get to it. So starting at the back of the boat is our all brand new, fully welded one-piece aluminum transom. Now, what we've done to this design is we've changed it. We've lightened it up quite a bit, but we've also made it a lot more heavy duty as well. So we've added some various items to it, some strengthening plates, a very nice area to lift the back of the boat from as well. It's got welded lifting eyes. One other really great part about this system is we've taken the transom wheel bracket locator mounts, and we've actually have an individual spot for those on the transom now, and you don't have to drill through the transom. You just mount it to that and good to go. This customer wanted a set of doubles, so you can see on the other side is about roughly how they would fit in the up position. And then of course you can flip them down while you're out there. So we have a new drain plug system. Overall, this is just such an incredible transom. So coming to the inside of the boat here is we do have an all new flooring system. So if you have a look inside the boat here, we have a new aluminum floor structure that we've designed. The bow board is a honeycomb fiberglass bow board. So what we've done is we've taken the wood 100% out of the boat. So now you don't have that component that could fail one day, or if you were to allow water to sit in there for an extended period of time, that will never do it. Now, the other thing that we're very, very excited about is the addition of EVA foam. So EVA foam is available on our Pro Series as well as our HD. And we offer it in two different colors. So we have a tan EVA, and then we have a gray EVA. So this one's a gray. We're gonna make another video for the tan, just so you can, or maybe we'll do a little walk around. We have one in the showroom and we'll show you guys that. So reasons I like this EVA are it's incredibly nice to be in your boat when you have something between the aluminum and your feet. Often in the summer or shoulder seasons, I'm wearing sandals. I like to kick my feet off. I like to feel like it feels good while you're in the boat. It offers some sound dampening. It's nice just to sit down or lay down in the boat. It does offer an incredible amount of cushioning for what it is. We've been running EVA on our ocean boats, on other rigid hull models for a few years now, and owning a boat that has EVA and having a boat that doesn't have EVA, there is a significant difference in your quality of enjoyment of that product while you're out on the water. So we couldn't wait to bring it to the roll-up market, and honestly, I feel like personally, owning a boat, having it, and not owning a boat, there's no question. It is one of the nicest features that owners will have using this product, as well as it's just little things you don't think of. Things don't slide around as much on the floor. I know for us, we like to travel with our dogs a lot. You know, they jump on there with their nails, they're wet, they're sliding all over. This really gives them a platform to bite into and to grab onto. It's extremely, extremely durable. You can damage it, but I've had it on my ocean boat for the last 4 years, and there's the odd nick here and there, and it's totally fine. It is completely replaceable, but again, it's just such a nice product to have in your life. I hope you guys are really going to enjoy this on the 2024 models. Some of the other changes we've made is we've changed our Bimini mounts. Not a significant change. We've never had a problem with any of our previous Bimini mounts. It's just, this is a new product that was available. It is sturdier. We are gonna come out with some more items that are going to use these mounts as well, so you're going to be seeing more of these. Now, of course, being a Stryker Pro, all of our Pros have our full belly of rubber. Now, this Stryker Shield bottom protection is the ultimate in protection for you and your family while out on the water. It does add a bit of weight, and it definitely will be a consideration for people looking to roll up their boat every time. But if you're going to consider putting your boat on a trailer, there is no better investment, in our opinion, than the Pro Stryker Shield on the Pro model boat. It's so nice having that peace of mind for you and your family out on the water, tough seas, barnacle covered beaches. It's really nice to know that it's there. So coming around to the front is we have all of our standard Pro model features that everyone's come to know and love. Interior Lifelines, D-rings throughout. Now these D-rings, these are an extreme duty D-ring that we've moved to. So you can see inside here, there's a seat belt material woven behind here now. So this is something we come out with in 23. You can lift 1,000 pounds off this and it's not gonna break. It is something we've been working on for a while. We're excited to finally have that. All of our D-rings have that now. Very, very, very tough stuff. And again, a lot of peace of mind while you're out on the water. It's great to use for anchoring, the Biminis, tying the boat down. These are very versatile D-rings now, as opposed to some of the other early variations of D-rings. So some other features while we're here, this is a customer's boat. We just set it up, it's gonna be leaving tomorrow. It's our last 420 that came in, so we wanted to make a quick video. They were all pre-sold before they arrived, which is great. Thank you for the continued support, everybody. So this is a swing tongue trailer. These have become quite popular. So if you look at this tongue here, now you can pull the pin and you can swing your tongue in there. So you can save a considerable amount of space in your garage. Very cool feature. A lot of people have been moving to this platform the last few years. Space is always at such a premium in our lives these days, especially in Metro Vancouver. So having something that conforms a little bit better to your situation, this might be a really good option for people. So yeah, this is a custom order part. You can discuss this with us and we can have it installed on any of our custom Roadrunner trailers. And it's just that you put a pin back through and you put a lock on the bottom there and you're good. I'm gonna be putting this away and swinging her in a minute. So, but again, guys, this is our Roadrunner Stryker custom trailer as well. We always run 4 carpeted bunks supporting your inflatable boat. So if you can see under the bottom, we run 1 under here. This is for the inflatable keel. We like that to sit, and then we just sit just on the insides of the tubes, supporting the transom at the back that usually has a motor on. It's no problem carrying your motor on this setup when you're running, as long as the trailer is set up right. So 4 carpeted bunks really protect this trailer. Now the customer also wanted a Tohatsu outboard on there. So this is the 20 horse long shaft. And then of course the Max River Runner prop protector. So that's great in environments to protect from shallow water, abrasions, logs, rocks. Now, of course, these are only so good. It will save you from shearing your prop off. We do sell a ton of these. You will lose a couple miles per hour on your top end, but for most people, the trade-off and the safety features of having a river runner far outweigh a couple miles an hour. So again, guys, 2024 boats, all new. Pro models, HDs, LXs are all new as well. We'll have everything in stock shortly. These 2024s already out there. We hope you guys love them. Thanks for watching.